Welcome to our channel. If you want to access your KeyBank account online to manage your finances, follow these step-by-step instructions for a secure and efficient login. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the KeyBank official website at key.com. Step 2. Click the Login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter your username in the designated field. If you have not registered for online banking, click Enroll to create your online banking credentials. Step 4. Click Continue, and then enter your password in the Secure Password field. Step 5. Complete any additional security verification, such as answering security questions or entering a one-time code sent to your registered device. Step 6. Click Login to access your account dashboard, where you can view all your KeyBank accounts and their current balances. Step 7. Explore various banking features, including viewing transaction history, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, and managing account preferences. Step 8. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication through your account security settings. Always remember to log out when you finish your banking session, especially when using public or shared computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.